Welcome to the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. In case you missed it, be sure to check out on our vehicle display page the complete walkthrough video of the all-new, all-season Winnebago EKKO. It includes a full walkthrough video of the Winnebago EKKO 22A, as well as hundreds of pictures on our vehicle display page on Lichtsinn.com.
As the largest Winnebago dealer in North America, we have all of Winnebago's most popular models to view at our dealership or virtually. At our dealership, you can tour several models and floor plans, including the Winnebago Solis 59PX, Travato, Revel, View 24D, and Adventure. If you're interested in pre-owned, we have a good selection of used RVs, both Winnebago and other manufacturers. You can see our in-stock inventory in person in our indoor showroom or virtually with one of our interactive live appointments. Both are extremely easy to schedule. Just chat in, give us a call, 1-800-343-6255 to speak with one of our Winnebago factory-trained sales consultants.
At Lichtsinn RV, you will experience the best. Starting from your initial communication with us to the end of your RV lifestyle, our team will always be there to support your RV lifestyle, whether it be parts, service, or sales. But don't take our word for it. Check out our guest reviews.
Hi, this is Brian Buffington, Service Director here at Lichtsinn RV. The Service Department at Lichtsinn RV is now offering the ability to upgrade your Cummins Onan gas generator to the brand new micro-quiet Cummins Onan 2800i generator. This generator upgrade is available for previous model year Travatos. The new micro-quiet generator features lower vibration levels, lower noise levels, pure sine wave inverter output, and compliance with National Parks System's noise ordinances. Call the Lichtsinn RV Service Department at 800-343-6255 to get your upgrade scheduled today.
And that's all for this month's newsletter. Be sure to call, chat, or text any questions you may have, as we're here for all of your parts, service, and sales needs.